student, welcome again for here, because that times the live was postponed. I don't know why it is happening. I again start the live. So today we will go through the chapter 2 and learning this type of short question. And very first one, it was the what is operon from the chapter 2. In chapter wise we learned the different kinds of short question. So first one, it is what is operon. If it is asking for operon, in case this term we get the in case of the prokaryotic cell, the operon is found. That means all the cellular organelles, when is not arranged properly, that times phenomenon, that sequence is found on there. That is the operon. Operon is found in the prokaryotic cell. Okay, I told you in before. And then what is the smallest cell in the world? What is the smallest cell in the world? Smallest cell in the world is very, very important question. Short question is mycoplasma. Mycoplasma. It is one kind of organism like Rickettsia, Mycoplasma, bacteria, like that. Very lowest, very smallest types of organism. Mycoplasma is the smallest cell in the world. Okay, this is very important SQ types of question. What is the biggest cell in the world? Cell means actually which animal bearing that smallest cell. Okay, that is biggest cell is actually egg of the ostrich. Egg of ostrich. Egg of ostrich. Many of you know this answer. Egg of ostrich is the answer of that. What is primordial germ cell? Very important, another one. Primordial germ cell. Primordial germ cell. Okay. Primordial germ cell is the precondition. That means they by meiotic cell division. By meiotic cell division, they produce gametic cell. Okay. Primordial germ cell, actually that kinds of cell, they are directly connecting to the meiotic cell division, and by this process they can produce gametic cell. Gametic cell actually production of two kinds of gamete can have there. One is the male gamete, another one is the female gamete. I think you understand that one. So primordial germ cell is that kind of cell. By meiotic cell division they can produce gametic cell. Gametic cell, male gamete or female gamete. What types of liquids have in the protoplasm? Many of the students can missing this one. They can write the semi-solid, solid, hard, liquid, like that. This semi-liquid. If it is asking for, you will write semi-liquids. Semi-liquids. That liquids is the semi-liquids. Not total plain, not so hard, not in between the hard and very light, just in between them, semi-liquids. Okay, so this is another important question. What are the main constituent of the cell wall? Main constituent. Okay, main constituent of the cell wall is, we can go through cellulose, hemicellulose, cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, suberin, all of this, but main is the cellulose. Cellulose around 40%. Total constituent of the cell wall, all the constituent, 40% are of the cellulose. So what are the main constituent of the cell wall? If it is asking for, you will write the cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, suberin like that, blah, 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 because in case of the MCQ types of question, that times you can asking for or given any of the option from here. So if it is right, if you know all them, you can pick up the best one and correct one. But cellulose is the main constituent, 40% around all of the constituent present in the cell wall. Okay, cellulose is about 40%. And finally, last question of today, that is what is pits? What is pits? Suppose I draw a cell wall. The cell wall, after some times in the cell wall, we will see in between them a gap and hole and membrane connecting there that connect the other membrane, other wall, that is the pits. In between the cell wall, there is a gap and well-like structure, not piece, pits, P-I-T-S, pits. Whole of the cell wall, very good. Is a whole of the cell wall. This is the whole of the cell wall in between. Suppose this is a cell wall, two cell wall, in between them a gap. The plasma membrane connect with them, but there is a gap. This gap is known as the pits. Pits pair also, we can say this two is the pit pair connecting in the hole. Pits is the whole of the cell wall that can ensure of connecting these two with a lemma like plasma membrane, cell membrane, or what we see in between them. That means in between the cell wall, there is a hole like a structure is called pits. So chapter 2 is start, and some important question we already discussed. What is operon? I tell you, in case of the prokaryotic cell, all cellular parts are not properly arranged. What is the smallest cell in the world? Mycoplasma. What is the biggest cell in the world? Egg ostrich. What is primordial germ cell? That kind of cell that can produce the gametic cell by successive cell division, meiotic cell division. What types of liquids have in the protoplasm? You will write semi-liquids. Okay. What are the main constituent of the cell wall? All the constituents: cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, suberin, but cellulose is about 40% main constituent of the cell wall. And what is pits? The hole in between the cell wall of any kinds of plants. Okay, so this is the answer of today's lesson. So hope so you will connect this one, and maybe you will connect another class. Everyone, please connect with all the class every day uploaded, and connect with the lecture and match with the your everyday sound. Take care about your study. Allah Hafiz.